Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You must grab attention immediately. Open with a visual surprise or bold question in the first 1 to 2 seconds. Once done, keep the frame vertical 9:16 and export at high bitrate so details pop. Make a microplan for a 15 to 30 second beat structure. Hook, quick value, call to action, and rehearse that beat once or twice before recording so you waste no time and deliver clarity from second one. You want pacing and clarity. Cut every 1 to 3 seconds to maintain momentum. Add punchy B-roll and readable text overlays so viewers follow even muted. Make sure to include captions because roughly half of viewers watch without sound. That keeps retention high. Once edited, layer a trending sound or format, but always add your unique angle or 3 times the practical value. Explain why it matters so viewers stay and share. You should publish often and measure. Aim for 3 to 7 shorts per week and test different posting times to find when your audience is active. Make the CTA direct, include 1 to 3 targeted hashtags and a keyword-rich short title so the algorithm can surface your video. If performance lags, trim the intro to under 2s, change the first frame or sound, and iterate. Small tweaks compound quickly and reveal what actually hooks your viewers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.